Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your TikTok account private to the public. It is very easy, very simple. Let's launch a TikTok app first. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner. When you're at your profile, I want you to hit the three straight lines on the top right corner. Then I want you to click on settings and privacy. When you're at settings and privacy, I want you to click on the second option, which is privacy. Then I want you to click on the first option, which is private account. When you click on private account, you're going to hide your account from the public, your content from the public. People will not be able to see your content, download your content, comment on your content, or share your content. This is very, very important. Your existing followers will not be affected. They're still going to be able to see what you have posted or what you're currently posting, because when you publish a new post, it will simply be limited to your current followers, and it will be like a circle of friends, circle of people that you know, and the content that will be shared, will be published, will only be available for your current followers. Also, you're not gonna be able to receive a request for new followers simply because you're not open for new followers. And this is how you turn your account from public to private on TikTok. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.